Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai. It doesn't matter guys what Hyundai you have. You may have Hyundai, let's say Sonata, Hyundai Elantra, Hyundai Santa Fe, Tucson, Accent, Veloster, any Hyundai guys. You have engine light on and you have any of the following codes such as P2120 P2121 P2122 P2123. Stay with us, we will explain most likely what causes that. It could be multiple things. Stay until the end guys. We will explain how to test the components and find out what's wrong with your vehicle. Also, in addition, we'll share what computer we use, diagnostics, all that stuff, because you constantly guys leave comments in the comment section below for tools that we recommend. So we will show you what we use here at the garage today. Now before we start, let me tell you guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix anything. Another thing, why we do that, simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Something else guys, if you need to buy a new camshaft position sensor, any of the tools, parts that we use in our videos, check out guys the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can get all the tools and parts that you need for a really good price and quick shipping as well. So this specifically guys, it's a 2013 Hyundai that we'll be working on. But even if you have a different year, doesn't matter. Mostly will be anything guys from year 2005 probably all the way to year currently 2021. It will work guys. So now, this is the engine. Again, doesn't matter if you have 3, 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder engine, Hyundai engine, the procedure will be about the same. Let me explain guys, okay, now what most likely causes that code. Now, we need to come inside that Hyundai. Okay, when you come inside, okay, right here guys, in the foot well, that's your accelerator gas pedal. This is electronic pedal guys. What that means, when you press it, there is multiple sensors that detect how much you press the gas pedal. It tells the engine computer, okay, that the engine computer can adjust air, fuel, all that stuff, and actually it's going to open and close the throttle body. So if you have guys any of these codes, first thing to check is make sure the wiring harness is not loose, broken here, reconnect it and see if that fixes the problem. Another thing guys, okay, it might be a bad throttle pedal, and if you want to see how to test the throttle accelerator pedal on Hyundai, we have a video on the channel that explains how to do that. It's not very complicated and it takes only a few minutes guys to do that. Pretty simple video. Okay, now what else can cause that? Let's explain. It's less likely, but it is likely. Before we continue, let us show you guys which computer do we use. Okay, we use right here, this is Maxicom guys. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. It works on any car, not just Hyundai's guys. It works on any car. It's an amazing computer, and you can do quite a bit of stuff. You can access every computer in your car. You can read, delete codes and see live data for every computer. For instance, this Hyundai right here, it has 17 computers and we can access each one of those. Now, this right here guys is our throttle body. The throttle body, if you find on your Hyundai, the air filter box, follow that hose, okay, in between the hose and the intake manifold will be where your throttle body will be located. We removed ours guys, but the accelerator pedal and the throttle body work together. The pedal, when you press it, okay, opens the throttle body. You can see, so the engine can get air and that results into power. The engine computer will spray more fuel and you're ready to go. You have power to go guys. Now, things that you need to check, the connector, okay, for the throttle body. Always guys, inspect the connector. Make sure that it's good, make sure that it's not broken. Okay, sometimes you will that will be really close to the radiator fan. Make sure it didn't get in the fan broke the wires. Now, working on the electronics guys and being close to the radiator fan, always disconnect your car battery on your Hyundai. If you don't do it the right way guys, what can happen? Okay, you can burn the engine computer, electric modules, computers that could be thousands of dollars in repairs. If you do not know which battery terminal to disconnect first, we have a video that explains that and we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Now, if it's not a wiring harness, what else it could be? It could be just a bad throttle body, and we have a video that explains how to test it guys on the channel. Or it could be very often dirty, sticking throttle body. We clean that part. This is the dirty one. Only 80,000 miles, that's what it looks like guys. We have a special video that explains how to clean throttle body on Hyundai. It's not very complicated at all. You remove it, clean it. There is a special solution for that, and you're ready to go. You can see if it's sticking, if it's too dirty, okay, it may not even close all the way and you get these codes. So, but number one, start with the accelerator pedal, then check the wiring harness everywhere, test the pedal, test the throttle body, and you'll find out what's wrong with it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.